Hi, I'm GinaMarie XOCAL, and I'm here with SoCal Bikini for our model call. A lot of us have struggled with body dysmorphia. A lot of us have struggled with a negative body image. A lot of us have struggled with the changes that our female bodies do naturally. Stretch marks, loose skin, fluctuating weight. There's no way in hell I've ever been the same weight in 1 year. I've been 265 pounds. I've been 145 pounds. Right now I weigh 209 pounds. I'm a heavy motherfucker. Yeah, you know, I this is me, you know, and I love who I am today. There was a time where I was very thin and I starved myself. There was times where I overate. There was times I took pills. There was times I overdid. There was times. Today we have an opportunity to put ourselves on a platform and be examples to other women and become more professional. So I wanted to open this up to give myself an introduction to the women out there that want it. You want it. You're here. You're Saturday. Give you an opportunity to meet women who have it. They have it. Nina is a very successful bikini brand. I've been following Nina for 2 years, maybe 2 years before I started my brand. I grew up in Hawaii and I was born in Australia. I've always been by the ocean. Never was a bikini babe, but that was my lifestyle. And I always wanted a bikini brand. When I started working on my body after my 6th kid, I got into the best shape of my life, and I was butt fucking naked every day. Just like it became who I was, and I celebrated my body every fucking day. Nina has grown her brand in an industry that does not let women of color and women of size in. She was one of the first swimwear brands to be in Swim Week, and I invited her to come here today to meet some young women and older women and kind of get together and just like vibe and be a part of a shoot where your production is going to be used in my campaigns. I'm really grateful for everyone to be here. I want to definitely answer a couple of questions about my brand. If you guys, I know you guys have been following me and following the brand. It's very, you know, it's bigger than life. It's great. It's wonderful. But there is a personal side of me, and there is details of my brand. If you guys have any questions to ask me about SoCal Bikini, nothing. Not even my bra size or nothing. I just love it. I'll take that. Well, I've been in business for 2 years. This will be 2.5. I launched in November of pandemic. I launched a bikini brand in the winter in the middle of a pandemic because I'm fucking nuts. I pivoted. I was in the cosmetic industry, still am. Cosmetic industry took a big dive for new brands coming up and formulation developers because people stopped making formulas and started making hand sanitizer. Nobody gave a shit about their skin. People were dying out there. You couldn't get somebody to make a skincare product because all of the labs were busy making hand sanitizer. It was real. Killed me. Stopped me in my tracks. So I had to figure out what am I going to do now? So I always wanted to do my brand. So I pivoted from my skincare line, a sun care line for bikinis, and I paired that. So now I'm building a merchandise platform for my bikinis. Of course, you guys know I'm all about weed. This event is sponsored by Weed Brand. In each one of your bags, there's a tincture. It is a cannabis tincture. Nice. A very strong cannabis tincture. Some of them are 3-to-1, 1-to-1. Ask me questions later about those tinctures. My brand is all about cannabis. It's all about the female plant, females, period. So cannabis is also one of my passions and why I have weed all over my merchandise is because I have 6 kids, 3 with autism. And I treat all of my kids with autism. My whole entire family is high. We love weed. Weed is a medicine to us. We believe in plant health. We believe in the benefits of what cannabis has done for my kids and myself. It's been immeasurable. My children are different human beings because of the homeostasis that they've been able to achieve with cannabis. I am a knowledge of wealth when it comes to weed. If you guys want to ask me more questions about that, it's not just a logo or a picture or a ganja queen for me. Like, it's literally a lifestyle, and it's a way for me to celebrate what weed has done for my life and for my kids' lives. So that's a little bit about Ex Bikini. You guys are going to learn so much more about me.